Most people spend first and save whatever is left. But the wealthy do the opposite. They save first and spend what's left. Electric light bulb money bag. Welcome to Abhik Parth, where we simplify financial wisdom. Rocket. In today's episode, we'll cover white heavy checkmark, why saving first is the golden rule of wealth building. White heavy checkmark, how to make saving effortless. White heavy checkmark, a simple practical example to apply this today. Stay till the end because this one habit can change your financial future. Glowing star. Left pointing magnifying glass. Step 1. Why save first, then spend? Most people follow this cycle. Money bag, income, spend, save whatever is left. But successful people do this instead. Money bag, income, save first, spend the rest. Pushpin. Why? Heavy checkmark. If you spend first, you rarely have money left to save. Heavy checkmark. If you save first, you force yourself to live within your means. Heavy checkmark. Over time, small savings turn into big wealth. Lesson: you don't need a high income to save. You need discipline. Left pointing magnifying glass. Step 2. How to make saving effortless. 1. Keycap, automate your savings. Heavy checkmark. Set up an auto debit from your salary account to your savings investment account. Heavy checkmark. This way, you save before you even see the money. Electric light bulb example. Raj earns 50,000 rupees per month. He automates a 10,000 rupee SIP into an index fund. After 10 years at 12% return, he has 23 lakh rupees. Rocket. To keycap, follow the 50-30-20 rule. Pushpin. Divide your income like this. 50% needs house building, rent, bills, groceries. 30% wants party popper, entertainment, shopping. 20% savings and investments, chart with upward trend. Heavy checkmark. If you can save more than 20%, even better. Electric light bulb example. If your salary is 40,000 rupees per month, white heavy checkmark, 20,000 rupees for needs. White heavy checkmark, 12,000 rupees for wants. White heavy checkmark, 8,000 rupees for savings. Over time, this habit makes you rich. 3. Keycap, increase savings with every income hike. Heavy checkmark. When you get a salary raise, increase savings first. Heavy checkmark. Don't increase spending on luxury items immediately. Electric light bulb example. Priya's salary increases from 50,000 rupee to 60,000 rupees. Instead of spending more, she increases her savings from 10,000 rupee to 15,000 rupees. In just 5 years, she saves an extra 3 lakh rupees. Pushpin lesson: more income should mean more savings, not just more expenses. Pushpin practical example. Meet Amit and Priya again. Amit spends first and saves whatever is left. Some months, that's nothing. Face with open mouth and cold sweat. Priya saves first and then adjusts her spending. She builds wealth over time. Money bag. Pushpin. Who do you think will retire rich? Obviously, Priya. Public address, loudspeaker, final thoughts. White heavy checkmark. Step 1. Automate your savings. White heavy checkmark. Step 2. Follow the 50-30-20 rule. White heavy checkmark. Step 3. Increase savings whenever income grows. Speech balloon. Comment below. Do you save first or spend first? Let's discuss. Public address loudspeaker. Subscribe to Abhik Parth for more money lessons. Let's build wealth together. Saving is important, but investing is what makes you rich. Rocket chart with upward trend. Welcome to Abhik Parth, where we break down complex financial concepts into simple, practical steps. In today's episode, we'll cover white heavy checkmark, why investing is necessary for financial freedom. White heavy checkmark, the best and easiest ways to start investing. White heavy checkmark, a practical example to help you take action today. Stay till the end because this is the key to multiplying your wealth. Money bag. Left pointing magnifying glass. Step 1. Why you must invest. Many people think, I save money in my bank, isn't that enough? Pushpin no. Here's why. Inflation eats your savings. 1000 rupee today won't have the same value 10 years later. Your money must grow faster than inflation, otherwise, you are losing wealth. Bar chart example. If inflation is 6% per year and your savings give only 3%, you are actually losing 3% per year. Face screaming in fear. But if you invest at 12% return, you grow your wealth instead of losing it. Rocket. Electric light bulb lesson. If you don't invest, you are working for money. If you invest, money works for you. Left pointing magnifying glass. Step 2. Where should you invest? There are 4 simple investment options. 1. Key cap stock market, shares, chart with upward trend. Buying stocks means owning a piece of a company. Over time, strong companies grow, and so does your investment. Example, if you invested 10,000 rupees in Infosys in 2000, it would be worth 4.5 lakh rupees today. Rocket. Heavy checkmark, best for long-term wealth growth. To key cap mutual funds, SIP, bank. Best option for beginners. You invest in a fund that is managed by experts. SIP, systematic investment plan, makes investing easy. Electric light bulb example. If you invest 5,000 rupees per month in an index fund at 12% return, in 20 years, you'll have 50 lakh rupees. Party popper. Heavy checkmark, best for people who want easy, stress-free investing. 3. Key cap real estate, property, house with garden. Buying property can be a good investment if done wisely. Rental income plus price appreciation is equal to wealth growth. Example, a flat bought for 20 lakh rupees 10 years ago could be worth 50 lakh rupees today. Heavy checkmark, best for long-term wealth, passive income. 4. Key cap gold and digital assets trophy. Gold has been a trusted investment for centuries. Now, you can invest in digital gold, ETFs, and sovereign gold bonds. Heavy checkmark, best for diversifying your investment portfolio. Left pointing magnifying glass. Step 3. How to start investing. Simple plan. White heavy checkmark. Step 1. Start with a SIP in an index fund. 1000 rupees per month is enough. White heavy checkmark. Step 2. Learn about stocks and invest in top companies. White heavy checkmark. Step 3. Buy assets like real estate or gold as your income grows. White heavy checkmark. Step 4. Stay consistent and let compounding work for you. Electric light bulb example. Amit and Priya both save 10,000 rupees per month. Amit keeps it in the bank, 3% return. Priya invests in mutual funds, 12% return. Bar chart after 20 years. Amit has 27 lakh rupees. Priya has 1.1 crore rupees. Astonished face fire. Who do you want to be? Amit or Priya? Public address loudspeaker. Final thoughts. Electric light bulb saving alone won't make you rich, investing will. Pushpin action steps. White heavy checkmark start a SIP in an index fund today. White heavy checkmark learn about stocks and real estate over time. White heavy checkmark be patient, investing is a long game. Speech balloon comment below, where do you invest your money? Let's discuss. Public address loudspeaker subscribe to Abhik Parth for more financial wisdom. Let's grow together.